Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over my Walgreens haul for this week. We have tons of awesome deals, some freebies, and money makers. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just in case anyone has missed it, I have been uploading videos like crazy this week. I believe we are on video number 6 or 7. Either way, just in case you all missed it, I have already covered Dollar General, Family Dollar, and I also uploaded a Walgreens clearance video. So if you missed out on any of those, make sure that you check out the pinned comment down below, because I will have them all linked for you right there. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into the deals, and we're going to start off with a ship-to-store order that I put in for this morning. Now, I cannot pronounce the name of this lotion, but you guys can see it on your screen here. I keep wanting to call it alfalfa, you know, from like The Little Rascals. Does anybody remember that movie? I keep wanting to call it alfalfa lotion, but that's not it. Anyways, pick up one of these lotions. They're priced at $9.99. We have a 3-off-1 manufacturer coupon plus a 5-off-1 IVC store coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $1.99. Now, quick little tip. My 3-off-1 manufacturer coupon did not show up until I added this product to my cart. Then, for this ship-to-store order, I also threw in 3 of the NYX Professional Makeup Lip Glosses. These are priced at $5 each, so that's going to put you at $15. We have a 5-off-3 manufacturer coupon plus a 3-off-2 IVC store coupon. But that IVC store coupon is taking off $1.50 for each one. So it's taking off a total of $4.50. So that's going to leave you paying $5.50 for all 3. Now, this deal gets even better because right now we have a code that we can use for online and pickup orders. You can use the code CYBER30. So here's a quick look at all of the coupons that came off, and that code CYBER30 took off a total of $2.25. Now, my subtotal started out at $24.99, but after all those coupons and that code was applied, that left me paying $5.24 for all 4 items, making each one just $1.31 each. Alright guys, so I'm back home from Walgreens, and it's already getting late in the day, so I'm just going to run through this Walgreens haul really quick with you all. So I already told you all about a ship-to-store order that I put in for this morning, so that worked out pretty good. And then while I was in Walgreens, I actually went ahead and put in for a pickup order. So we have the Vera Wang body spray. So these are $6.64 this week. I'm not sure if they are on sale or if they're on clearance, but they're $6.64 right now. We have a $3.50 off 1 digital coupon, or you may have a 2-off 1 digital coupon on your account. I had the $3.50 off coupon, so that left me paying $3.14 out of pocket. But right now on Ibotta, we have a $2 rebate back for these, making your final price $1.14. So not a bad deal at all. Then we also have the number 7 Protect and Perfect Cleanser. Cleansing water. These are on clearance right now for $3.77. We have a 2-off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $1.77. So for my pickup order, my subtotal turned out to be $10.41. After coupons, I paid $4.91, but then I got back $2 from Ibotta, making my final price for both products $2.91 for both of them, or just $1.45 each. So I think that worked out pretty good. All right, now here's another quick little deal that I did. This was actually just a last minute item that I wanted to pick up because I am working toward an Ibotta bonus this week. I believe it is $3 back when you redeem 8 offers or something along those lines. And I wanted to go ahead and pick up the Nivea lip balm. So this is the 2 count. These are priced at $3.99. They are buy one, get one half off this week. So if you pick up 2, that's going to put you at $5.98. And we don't have any coupons, but you will get back $3 in Walgreens cash for purchasing 2. And then we have a 50-cent rebate back on Ibotta. So you're going to get back $1 on Ibotta, and that's going to make your final price $1.98 for 2, making those just 99 cents each. So that's a pretty good deal. Now, a couple more deals that I did by themselves was I went ahead and picked up the Yankee Candle Christmas set. It's 3 candles. These are normally $30, but they are part of the gifts of the week this week, so it is 50% off. So that's going to leave you paying $14.99. And for all of the deals that I talk about in this video, you can use Walgreens cash to pay if you would like. All right, guys, now for this next transaction that we're going to go over, this is my big spend transaction for this week. So on my account, I had a spend $50, get back $10 in Walgreens cash rewards. So if you do this deal exactly like I did, you do not want to use Walgreens cash to pay at the end. That way you will still get back your $10 in Walgreens cash. All right. But as we go through this transaction, I'm going to pop up the individual breakdowns of each deal. And if you want to go in and maybe just do one or two of these deals individually, you can definitely use Walgreens cash to pay on all of these, as long as you're not including it in a spend deal. Now, there are certain Walgreens couponers out there who are a little bit more advanced than I am, and they can get their coupons up over that spend amount, and then they can use the Walgreens cash to pay. It gets a little bit confusing. I'm not quite there yet, but maybe one day we will get there. All right. So let's go ahead and jump in. First up, we have the Olay moisturizers. So there are definitely some cheaper ones out there that y'all can pick up. This was what my store had available. So these Olay Regenerist Retinol 24, these are $13.99. They are buy one, get one half off this week. So that's going to put you at $20.98. And we have a 10 off 2 digital coupon. So that is going to make your final price $10.98 for 2, making those $5.49 each. So, like I said, there are some cheaper ones out there. I believe there's some for $9.99 if you guys would rather pick up those if you have them available at your store. All you need to do is go and click on the 10 off 2 coupon, and that will show you which products it is working with, okay? So, next up, we have the Neutrogena Stubborn Acne Patches. So, these are priced at $9.99. We have a 3 off 1 digital coupon. So, that's going to leave you paying $6.99. However, right now on Shopkick, we have some kicks that you're going to get back. We've got 1,300 kicks for purchasing the item plus 15 scan kicks. So that equals $5.26. That's going to make your final price for these just $1.73. All right. So another pretty good deal. Next up, we have the Band-Aids. So here's an item. If you want to do this in store, you're probably going to have to get them to price match. I believe in store these were $4.99. But online they are $3.26. All right. So if you do this, make sure that you get them to price match. So $3.26, they are buy one, get one half off. So you want to pick up 2, and that's going to put you at $4.98. Some accounts have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. Some have a 1 off 2 or a 1 off 1. Either way, this is a really great deal, I think. But I had a 3 off 2 on this account. So using that left me paying $1.98 out of pocket. But right now on Ibotta, we have a $1.50 rebate. So once you submit your receipt to Ibotta, you're going to get $3 back. That's going to make your final price completely free, plus a $1.11 moneymaker. So that is a really good deal, and there are different kinds of Band-Aids that y'all can choose from. All right, next up we have our oral care products. So we have Colgate toothpaste. These are on sale this week for $2.99. So what you want to do is pick up a total of 2. That's going to put you at $5.98. We have a 2 off 1 digital coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $3.98. But you're going to get back a $2 register reward for purchasing 2. And then you're going to submit your receipt to the coupons.com app and get back $2 for picking up that second toothpaste, because we have a 2 off 1 coupon on there. That's going to make your final price completely free, plus a 2-cent moneymaker. So a really quick, easy freebie there. Next up, another really easy freebie and moneymaker. So we have the Oral-B toothbrushes. I picked up the Vivid Whitening toothbrush, okay? So these are on sale this week for $3 each. Pick up 2 of them. That's going to put you at $6. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $3. However, you're going to get back a $3 register reward for purchasing 2. And then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, because right now on Ibotta we have a $2 rebate back on the Oral-B toothbrushes. So you're going to get a total of $4 back, and that's going to make your final price completely free, plus a $4 moneymaker. So that was an amazing deal. All right, and last but not least, we have the Trident gum. So these are on sale this week. 3 for $3. We have a 50-cent off one digital coupon. So that's going to be paying $2.50. But right now on Ibotta, we have a $1.99 rebate. So that's going to make your final price 51 cents for all three, making those just 17 cents each. Alright guys, so here's just a quick look at the breakdown for this spend transaction. So my subtotal was $50.84 before coupons. Then I had $21.50 in manufacturer coupons that applied. That brought my subtotal after coupons down to $29.34. And then I did have two manufacturer register rewards. I had a $5 manufacturer register reward and a $2 manufacturer register reward. That left me paying $22.34 out of pocket. And then I have listed all of the rewards that I've received back. And here's just a quick glance at my receipt, just showing you guys the prices and that all of the coupons did apply. And I did receive back my $10 in Walgreens cash. So this entire transaction turned out to be completely free, plus a $1.91 moneymaker. And guys, I could not be happier with this deal. My cashier was super, super nice. All of the coupons applied, no problem. The register rewards printed out. Everything was going my way today. So I am super, super happy with this deal. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and again, I do apologize that this video is getting out so late in the day and also so late in the week. It's just been kind of crazy and hectic with the holidays. But you guys let me know down in the comment section below, have you guys already been to Walgreens this week, or are you planning on going now? And of course, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.